you pass through the gates and wind up the driveway, this stunning custom home is unveiled. With just shy of 7,000 square feet, each and every one of the principal rooms has a stunning vista.
Yeah, that's right, Julie. And each and every one of the square feet that we have inside here is truly remarkable, just like the just shy of 4.5 acres of private green space that the house sits on. Now we're located here in the north part of Midhurst, which is arguably the most sought after location in Simcoe County, mainly for its access to areas like Barrie for all your major amenities. But you've got Collingwood about half an hour away, Muskoka just up Highway 411, as well as Georgian Bay. And you don't have to worry about your kids because they will be attending one of the best schools in all of Simcoe County.
Welcome to Hidden Hill, located at 1 Pierce Court. Upon entering this home, you're immediately wowed by this stunning living room with spectacular windows, a cathedral ceiling, and a stone fireplace, all flowing seamlessly into your gourmet kitchen. Features a primary suite complete with gas fireplace, Juliette balcony, walk-in closet, and a spa-like bathroom. This level also features main floor laundry, an oversized mudroom, and easy access to your garage.
You can truly appreciate the attention to detail in this custom-built Daycore home as you walk up the open maple staircase with wrought iron spindles to this second level. Now you've got this gorgeous sitting area here, which is perfect to kick back for a book and truly be wowed by the floor-to-ceiling windows that Julie was talking about downstairs. Now up here, we have 2 bedrooms on this wing of the house with semi-ensuite access and some incredible versatility in this room right in behind me here. Now, as you can see, this space on this wing of the house is currently being used as a bedroom. With the bed in behind me here, we've got a 3-piece ensuite, fantastic little sitting area, and a full walk-in closet. Now, where the versatility comes in is that you could readily convert this into an office space with multiple workstation, or I can't think of a better spot as a kid to set up the dream playroom.
There's one thing that I can say with certainty, and that is this home was made for entertaining. This lower level is the perfect spot to host a gathering, whether it's a game of pool, a cocktail at the bar, or cozying up with a movie in the theater room.
Check it out.
This wing of the lower level is completed by a home gym, an additional guest bedroom, and a 4-piece bathroom.
I would challenge you to find something about this home that we've shown you so far that you won't like. It is truly one of one. And one of the most unique parts about this home is what we have behind me here in this opposite wing of the lower level, starting with an additional 2-car garage located below the upper garage. That's right, below the upper garage. We've got 4 garage spaces for you here. But what we have behind this separate entrance is truly special. When you walk in the separate entrance, you're greeted into what would be a fantastic reception area or perhaps a sitting room. There's storage space right in the middle that would work very well for all the files, or perhaps a kitchen down the road. We've got space with incredible windows acting as an office currently. It would be a fantastic bedroom, and then a dining space or second office space as well, with an additional walkout to the backyard, all rounded out with a full bathroom and plenty of storage space.
As I touched on before, this home is made for entertaining, and it carries out to the outdoor spaces as well. Those multiple areas to dine and entertain, as well as a fully screened-in Muskoka room, and it's all framed by stunning armor stone and perennial gardens. But there's one feature about this garden that I can guarantee that you've never seen before. Let's go check out what Brandon's doing.
So Julie wasn't kidding when she talked about this property being an entertainer's dream, and it keeps coming in this very unique cookhouse with room for up to 12 of your best friends. You can cozy up in here, get a wood fire going, and cook up an incredible feast. I'm talking wings, steak, paella, whatever it is you're looking for. Maybe it's just the kids looking to roast a nice little marshmallow for a tasty s'more before bedtime. This is truly a unique spot to entertain.
This home and property are truly one of a kind, and it's days like today when the sun is shining that you can appreciate this lush green space. In the autumn, the colors are spectacular back here. And come winter time, you have unobstructed views all the way to Collingwood.
Yeah, Julie, and those panoramic views in the wintertime are truly spectacular and complete the long list of features found here at Hidden Hill, ultimately defining relaxed luxury.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Midhurst. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.